If you want to save your outdoor hose valve, you can use this little shut-off valve, put it on it, and then it will be easier to turn on, turn off the water without closing, opening the main valve. So just put it on, and I do it with one hand. Right now it's in open position, so just close it. And if you're not sure about your threading, you can put a little bit of plumber's tape. This is a new shut-off valve, so it has a really good washer, and I don't need any plumber's tape. Now you can open up your valve, check for the leaks, but at this point you're good to connect your hose. And again, doing it with one hand. And now you can open it up and check for the leaks. And as you can see, there are no leaks, and your hose is ready for usage. You can see there are no leaks. Now let's close it, and let's check this out. And as you can see, no leaks. And now you can shut off your water here, and then you can remove the pressure. And now you're gonna save your main hose valve just using this shut-off valve. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!